Hello, class. Today for science, we're going to continue our lesson on Unit 9, which focuses on investigating energy flow in living systems. Our target for today is, I will know that some living things make their own food and others don't. So let's begin. So as we talked about yesterday, every living plant and animal must have energy to survive. In an ecosystem, plants and animals all rely on each other to live. Plants and animals can be divided into two different categories, producers and consumers. Yesterday, we spoke about producers, but let's talk about them again really quick. All living things in an ecosystem need water, nutrients, growing space, and temperatures that allow them to grow and reproduce. Above all, they need energy to survive. But where does this energy come from? It comes mainly from sunlight. The sun's energy enters the ecosystem and flows through all living things. It changes forms as it moves through the ecosystem. The energy flow starts in plants during a process called photosynthesis. Green plants use energy from sunlight to change carbon dioxide and water into food and oxygen. Plants use energy from the food they make to grow and live. Plants are called producers because they make or produce their own food. In almost all ecosystems, green plants, algae, and some bacteria are the only producers. Now, today we are going to talk about consumers. Consumers. Can you make your own food like a plant? No, and neither can any other animal. Animals get energy by eating or consuming plants or other animals. Living things that eat other living things are called consumers. Now, there are different kinds of consumers. There are three kinds of consumers, and let's talk about them. The sun's energy stored in plants flows into the animals that eat the plants. Herbivores are animals that eat plants. Each herbivore uses some energy to live and grow. Some energy is released as heat, but some energy is stored in its body. The unused stored energy is transferred when the herbivore is eaten. Cows are an example of herbivores because cows eat grass and grains. They eat other plants. Let's continue. Animals that get food by eating other animals are carnivores. The carnivore uses some of the transferred energy to live and grow. The unused energy is stored in the carnivore's body. When the carnivore is eaten, whatever stored energy is left is passed on. Now, sharks are known as carnivores. Now, don't worry, guys, this isn't true. That's not a real shark. That was just a prank. And then we have omnivores. Some animals called omnivores eat plants and animals. Us people are omnivores because we can eat both plants and animals, okay? And those are the three types of consumers that you have. You have herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Okay, so after this introduction video, I want you guys to watch the video, not on producers, but on consumers, and then go ahead and take the quiz. I hope you guys enjoy the video.